Today we are discussing RRB officer scale 1 prelims quantitative aptitude grand test 61. We'll move for the questions directly. Look at the first one. The first one is belongs to based on the data interpretation for pie chart. So total population in 5 cities 78,000. The total population is 78,000. 5 villages. The 5 villages are 5 cities. So here A B C D E and the ratio is 5 7 8 is 9. 5 plus 7 is 12 plus 8 20 plus 9 is 10. Overall is a 39 parts. This overall is 39 parts. How many parts? 39. 39 parts is equal 78,000. 39 double is 78. That meaning is what? 5 double 10, 10,000. 7 double is 14,000. 8 double is 16,000. 9 double is 18,000. 18, 10 double is 20,000. That's we have to distribute as per the question. And directly we'll go for the question. That is a percentage of they are mentioned the pie chart is not total population wise. They are mentioned a literated population. So in A 30% is literated means that 70% is illiterate. Then we'll move for the direct question here. So just remember it 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is the initial ratio. 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is the initial ratio and 78,000. Based on this, we should calculate. Look at the first one. The first question is so and percentage also belongs to literate only. And look at the first one. The difference between the number of literate population of city A and city B here. So we require particularly literate population. City A is 30% of 5 parts. And here the B contains 7 parts. In this we require literate population 20%. 20%. 35 is 150, 27 is 140. Overall is how many parts gap? 10% is difference. 10 double value is 20. 10 double value is 20. Whatever the result you get, that result value should make it always double to getting a final answer. 10 double value is 20. It is a 20. Then option is what here? D. And let's move for the next question. Next 42 question for the same data. Find the ratio between the illiterate population of city D and C. So D value is what is the ratio? 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is a ratio. It is a 9 parts and it is a 9 parts. And D is a 9 parts. 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is a 8 parts. It is a 8 parts and it is a 9 parts. Particularly we require illiterate population. Illiterate population is what? In a 9, D value is 15% literate means it is a illiterate 85% and is a C is 10% 90% ratio. And we'll calculate the values to getting an answer. So 9 10s are and 5 2s are 5 17s are. Then 17 is to 16. Then our final answer is 17 is 16. Option E here. The literate population of city A is what percentage of total literate population of city E? Literate population is required. Look at it is a 30%. 30% of 5. It is a 150. Is what percentage of literate population of city E? So city E is 25% of 10 parts. We need percentage multiply with 100. 0 0 cancel. 25 how many times? 4 times. 4 5 is 20. 23 is overall is how much percentage? 60%. Then option here. So A, option A for here. Then go for the next question for the same data. Find the average number of illiterate population of CDED, CDE. 5, 7, 8. 8, 9 and 10. This is a here CDE. In this we require particularly illiterate population. Illiterate population how to generate? Here literature value will be removed, you will get illiterate. Here the in 8 10% is a literate means 90% is illiterate. Particular for C is 10% and D is 15% is literate means 85% is and it is plus and it is also plus and E is a 25% is literate means 75% is illiterate by 3. Average purpose we have to make the denominator 3. 3 30s and 3 3s and 3 25s. And look at 38 240. It is 240 and next 85 3s 85 3s 83 245 3s 15. It is a 255 plus 25 10s it is a 250. 250 plus 250 500 and extra 5 so 240 it is at 745. Overall it is 745. Whatever the value you will get, you can make it always double to getting a final answer. 745 double is 1490. Which option is content 1490? That is our answer. It is a 1490. So I'm not taking a original value now, that's why I'm not getting a last 0, but final answer is this 1490 as extra 0 for the 1000 purpose. And let's move for the next question. The literate population of city D is how much percentage less than the literate population of city A? A is how many parts? 5 parts. In this 30% literate percentage, it is equal to 150. And next 150 people or 150%. Directly you can take it that. Then literate population 5, 7, 8, 9. It is a 9 parts, and 9 parts is belongs to D. In this we require literate population. It is a 15 percentage. 15 percentage. It is a 135 percentage. Look at here, the D is less than the A. D is less than the A means how much less? 15 less. 15 is how much percentage of 150? 15 is what percentage of 150? 15 is a 10 percentage of 150. 15 అనేది 150 ఎంత percentage అవుతుంది? 10 percentage. The 10 percentage is option D here. Then let's move for the next question for the same data, not same data. It is a number system. Look at a number series 17, 98, 26, 89, 35 question mark. And look for the logic here. 17 became a 98 means 81 added. 98 became a 26 means what is the number added here? So 72 is removed. 72 is removed. And 26 become a 89 means 63 is added. And 89 become a 35 means, so here 54 is going to removing. And next what is the number we are adding? 9 9 ja, 9 8 ja, 9 7 ja, 9 6 ja, next 9 5 ja. It is a 45. 35 plus 45, then answer is what? 80. Option A. And let's move for the next question. 7, 6, 10, 27 question mark 5 1 5. What is the logic here? Into 1 minus 1, into 2 minus 2, into 3 minus 3, into 3 minus 3. And next one, into 4 minus 4, into 27 into 4. 4 7 is 28, 108, 108 minus 4 is equal to 104, our answer. So next, for the 48 question, what is the logic? 20 become a 12 become a 21. 12 become a 21 means what we have to add? Into 2, into 2. It is a minus 3. 12 2 is a 24 minus 3. And next here is into 3. Into 3, 21 3 is a, not 3 is a, it is a 21 4 is a. 21 4 is a value is 84. 84 became a 78 means how much removing? 6 removing. And next here 78 become a 458, almost it is a 80. 80 become a 45, so 450. 80 become a 45 means what is the number is added? Is a multiplied here into 6, you can check. So into 6 means what will happen? So 6 8 ja 48 and 6 7 ja 42. 42 plus 4, 46. 4 6 8 minus 10. It is a minus 10. The logic is this. Look at into 2, into 4, into 6. Compulsory it should be into 8 and next should be into 10. It is mandatory. Yes, as per the series. And coming to the logic here, 3 become a 6, 3 added. 6 become a 10, 4 added. 10 became a 15. Now it is removing 15 and added by 5. And here next we are going to adding 3 plus 4 plus 5 6. It is we are removing 21 now. Yes, this is the logic for this number series. 3649 into 10, 36490. From this extra we have to remove 21. So 36478. 36478 or 68. So look at here 21. 90 minus 21 values, 20 will be removed. It is a 70. Of course, it is a 71 means it is a 69. Last digit is 69. Yes, 36,469 is our answer. Finally, option is D here. And move for the next example. 1 4 9 17 25. It is 5 square, it is 3 square, it is 4 square plus 1, and it is 2 square plus 1, and it is 1 square. Then finally this answer is what? 6 square plus 1. Final answer is 37. Next 4 13 54 273 16 42 question mark. Here 4 became a 13 means what is the number? Multiply 4 3 is a 12 plus 1. And next 13 4 is a plus 2. 13 4 is a value 52, 52 plus 2 54. Next we should multiply what is the number? 5. Okay, check with 5. 50 5 is a 250, 5 4 is a 20, and extra we are adding plus 3. That means here we are doing what? Into 6 plus 4. Here we are doing into 7 plus 5. 7 2 is a 14. 7 2 is the last digit. 7 2 is a 14. 14 plus 5 is 9. Which option is contain last digit 9? That is our answer. Answer is what? D here. And next question number 51. A vessel contains 324 ml mixture of milk and water in the ratio of 5 is to 4. 5 is to 4, which is sharing by 324. 5 plus 4 is equal to how many parts? 9 parts. 9 parts is equal to 324 liters. Then 9 parts is equal to 324 liters means how many times we should multiply? Look at here. 9 threes are 27 and 6. 36 we should multiply. 36 fives are it is a 180 liters. 36 fours are it is a 144 liters for the first mixture. And coming to the second mixture, it is a 3:5. It is 3:5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 parts. It is equal to 8 parts. 8 how many times? 8 fours are 32. So 32 means remaining is 64. It is a 88. That means each number is multiplied with 48. 48 is multiplied. It is equal to 240. And 240 is removing from the 384. You will get 144. Okay. So this is a separating the values. Now directly you can add it to getting a final answer of this question. So here what we are doing, milk to milk and water to water separating, and both are added. 180 plus 144 which is equal to 324. 144 plus 180, 0 plus 44, 8 plus 4, 12, it is a 324. And next 240 plus 144 which is equal to 384. And both will be cancelled with 4. Try to cancel the numbers. 4 8 and 4 1 4 9 is 36 and 4 6 again it is a 96 and 81, both are cancelled with what is the number? 3 27 and 3 3 3 2 then final answer is 27 is to 32, option C here. Let's move for the next example. A, B, C can complete a work in 20, 24, 30 days respectively. All them started the work together, left work for 10 days before the work has completed. We'll take a LCM here, 20 and 24 and 30. LCM value is what? 120. Okay, so 120 it is a how many times? It is a, so 6 times, it is a 5 times, it is a 4 times. Then A left work 10 days before the work has completed. It is a A before completion of work he is left how many days before? 10 days before. And B left 4 days after. That means A left to 10 days before means the 10 days work is burden on BC. But B left 4 days after the A means the 4 days work is done by BC only. Yes, so B left 4 days after A means the BC worked for how many days? 4 days. Then this is the B. B plus C is 9 parts. Then 9 parts is worked for 4 days. Then 4 days is worked by BC. 4 9s are 36. This in a gap of before 10 days A left. Then before 6 days who left? Before after the 4 days B left means then before 6 days he left. Okay, who is left? B left. The 4 days work done by whom? BC. That is a 5 plus 4 is 9 parts. And last 6 days is work done by whom? C. Then 6 4s are 24. 26 plus 24, 60 units is completed till now. Remaining is how many units are required? 60 units is required. This is done by all the persons. It is a how many units? All the persons can be done 15 units. How many days are required? 4 days required. That means the total work is completed. Total is how many days? 14 days. 4 days, 4 days, 6 days. Total how many days required? 14 days required. Option C here. Let's move for the next exam. Next 53. A and B entered into a business with the initial investment 3600 and 3200 respectively, and respective ratio of time which they made the investment, then investment and time multiplied you will get a here profits ratio. This is the values 36 into 12 and 32 into 7. So cancel the values to getting a what is the A profit share is 21,600, then total profit earned by A and B together we required. So only they are given A value. So first of all cancel the values. 8 4s are 8 4s are and 8 will be going to cancel this side also. Here 4 cancel, it is a 3 and it is a 18. Okay, 4 2s are 8 and it is balanced. And again cancel with 2. 2 9s are and 2 2s are. And 9 3s are 27 and 2 7s are 14. They are given only A value. Based on the A value, we should calculate the overall value. 27 plus 14 is equal to 41 parts. We required 41 parts. Based on the 27 parts, 21,600. Cancel the terms here. 9 3s are and 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. Remaining is 36. 9 4s are and 00 and 3 8s are. And 8 into 41. 8 into 41 means 8 1s are 8. 8 4s are 32. 328. Option is what? First option 32800. Move for the next one. Question number 54. 40 innings average is 50 runs and 38 innings average is 47. It is a decreased by 3. It is a innings are decreased by 2. 2 will be multiplied here. 3 will be multiplied here. 2 into 47 is 94 plus 40 into 3 is equal to, so 120. Overall it is equal to 214. This is equal to his highest and lowest score values. And we know that highest and lowest score values we have a difference as per the question 160. When we are adding these two equations, we'll get an answer. So look at here, the minus L plus L will be cancelled. H plus H 2H, and which is equal to 374. 2H is equal 374 means H is equal what is the value? Then half of the 374, half of the 374 answer is what? 187. Option D here. Let's move for the next question. A man travel a distance of 1408 km 28 hours partly on foot at the rate 32 km per hour. So foot rate 32 km per hour, foot wise, and bicycle wise 64 km per hour. Then the distance traveled on the bicycle is, first of all I need to calculate for what is average speed. How to calculate average speed? So 1408 kilometers total time is how many hours? 28 hours. This is based on this we have to calculate average speed. Calculate both side here, the 4 7s are and 4 3s are 12, remaining is 24, 5s are and 20. It is equal to 352 by 7. Average speed is 352 by 7 and 32 and 64. And each and every term is multiplied with 7 now. Here is multiplied 7, here is multiplied 7, here is also multiplied 7. If you are multiply with 7, compulsory the 7 7 will be cancelled. It is become 7 into 32 is equal. It is a 14 and 2 24. And 7 will be multiplied to here 64. 7 4s are 28 and 2 is a carry forward, 7 6 are. So 42, it is a 448. And we'll make a mixture and alligation method to getting an answer now. So as for this, and look at 448 to 352 gap is what? So 8 minus 2 value, 8 minus 2 value 6, and 44 minus 35 value 96. And next 224 is removing from the 352. So 12 minus 4, 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. And next one is 5. Then 5 become a 4. 4 minus 2 value is 2, and 3 minus 2 value is 1. 128 and 96 both are cancelled with what is the letter? 4 again. So cancel with 4. 4 4 2s are 8 and 4 4s are, and 4 3s are and 4 2s are, and again cancel with what is the number? 8 8 3s are and 8 4s are. And finally this is the ratio is belongs to timings ratio, 3:4. 3 plus 4 is equal 7 parts. 7 parts is equal to, initially we have a 28 hours. 7 parts is equal to, initially they are given how many hours? 28 hours. In this particularly we required what is the value? So we require the distance traveled on the bicycle. Bicycle means what is the speed we have to apply? 64 km per hour. This is a 64 km per hour. How many hours journey? Okay. So it is 4 parts. 7 parts is equal to 28 means it is a 7 4s are, and 4 4s are 16. 16 into 64 km per hour. Here 4 parts is equal to how many hours? 16 hours. This 16 hours I am taking here. 16 into 64 is our answer. Multiply with 16. 16 4s are 64. 4 carry forward is 6. 16 6 are 96. 96 plus 6 is equal to here. So 102. Then finally how many kilometers is completed? 1024 kilometers completed by who is the person? Here the bicycle way. And coming to the next exam, next question 56. Speed of boat in a downstream is 20% more. Is downstream speed is 20% more than the boat speed. That means it is a 6:5. Boat downstream speed is 6, boat speed is 5 means from this we can write current speed also. Current speed is how many parts? Current speed and upstream speed is also we can write. Okay, so 6. So boat speed 5 became a 6 means difference is how much? 1. 1 added. This is equal to what is the speed? Current speed. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And if the boat can travel distance 80 kilometers upstream, 80 kilometers upstream and 72 kilometers downstream, and total journey time is how many hours? 18 hours, 8 hours. Then we have to write here the downstream. Downstream means we should write, so 80 kilometers distance the boat can travel upstream, 80 kilometers upstream. So 5 minus 1 value is 4. That is upstream. 5 minus 1 value is 4. This is upstream speed 4x plus downstream speed is 6x. And try to cancel the values. 4 how many times? 20s are, and 6 how many times? 12s are. 20 plus 12 which is equal to 32. 32 is cancelled with 8. You will get x is equal to what is the value? 4. Then what is the question they are asking? Then find the time taken by boat to cover the 280 kilometers in still water. 280 kilometers in still water. X is equal to 4. It is a 5x. It is the boat speed is 5 parts. 5 into 4 is equal to 20, and 0 0 cancel. 28 by 2 is equal to how many hours journey? 14 hours journey. Option B here. Move for the next question 57. A certain sum its compound interest per annum compounded annually becomes 6480 in 2 years and 776 in 3 years. We have to take a difference here. So what is the difference? Then interest on interest we should calculate. 6480 become a 776 means how much interest extra added? 6 rupees extra, and 7 become a is, so how much rupees added? So 6 minus 0, 6, and 17 minus 8, it is a 19, and it is a 6, 6 minus 4, it is a 1. 1296 interest you are getting. So 1296 interest you are getting on 6480. I need percentage, multiply with 100. It is a 5 times. Basically 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is equal to how much percentage? 20%. Option D. And next, a sum is 2106 was to be divided in between the three persons ABC. The ratio is 0.5, 0.25, 1 by 3. This the total ratio is I am multiplying with 3 now. Then total ratio is multiplying with 6. Okay, 6 5s are 6 into 0.5, it is a 3 parts, and 6 into 1.25. So when you are multiplying with 6 into 0.25, it is a 6 by 4. 6 by 4, instead of that directly we can take double it, otherwise 3 multiplied initially. 3 into 0.5, 1.5, and 0.75, and into 1. This ratio, all the terms, first of all I multiplied with what is the number? 3. Now I have to change this 0.75, I have to change into numbers. 0.75 double, 1.5, 1.5 double, it is 3. That means we have to multiply total terms into 4. It is a 6, and it is a 3, and it is a 4. 6 is to 3 is to 4, final ratio. And this is the right ratio, but they are given a wrong ratio, 2 is to 4 is to 3. Then 6 plus 3 plus 4, it is equal to 13 parts. This 13 parts of money is distributed 2106. The money is distributed in 13 parts wise. 13 parts is equal to 2106 means how many parts are there? Look at 13. How many times? 13 ones are 13. Remaining value is 8. 80. So 13 6 are 78, and 13 2s. That means each one person, one part is equal to 162 rupees. We have to distribute here. 16 4s are 64 and 8. And 16 3s are 48 and 6. And 6 can be multiplied to 162. 6 2s are 12. And carry forward is 1. 6 6 are 36 and 7. And 3. 6 1s are 6. It is a 9. Overall, this is the money we have to distribute it. So this is the money is distributed originally. When coming to the wrongly distribution value, we have to distribute. Then 2 is to 4 is to 3. 2 is to 4 is to 3 purpose. So 2 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 9 parts. 9 parts is equal to 2106. 9 parts is equal to 2106. 9 parts is equal to 2106 means each part is equal to how much? 9 2s are 18. Remaining value is 30. 9 3s are 27. And remaining value is 3. And 9 4s are. That means each part will get 234 if you're distributing like a 2 is to 4 is to 3. 2 parts is equal to how much? 2 3 4 double 468. And 4 parts. 4 parts means 468 double. So 8 double is 16. And 46 double is 92. It is you will get 976. And 3 double value. 3 into 200, all approximately you will get. So 23 3s are 969, and 3 4s are 12. It is a 704. Look at who will get a profit basically. So who will get profit as per the wrong distribution? So C will be get profit and B will be get profit. Actually C will get 648. Now it is 704. Actually B will get 400, but B will get 900. Now means, so just approximately I am saying roughly, then B and C both are getting a profit. Option E here our answer. Move for the next example. The dimension of a cuboidal box is x plus 3 and x plus 7 into 10 respectively. Length and breadth and height they are given. Total surface area. Total surface area formula 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, which is equal to 592. Which is equal to 592. Then length and breadth plus breadth here H. So LH is equal to value. 2 can be divided. 2 can be dividing means 2 2s are 4 and 2 9s are 18 and 2. That means length and breadth is equal to 296. So instead of solving these x cases, you have to go through the option. It is better. And look at, I am going for the first option. First option is what? 4. 4 means it is become a 7. It is 11 and it is 10. So I have to substitute here. 7 into 11. 7 into 11 it is 77. And 11 into 10 it is a 110. And next 7 into 10 it is a 70. 70 plus 70 it is a 140. 140 added to 110 it is a 250. It is not near to 296. That means these options are wrong. What was the option we have selected? It is wrong. And next go for the fifth. It is wrong. Then go for the 5. 5 we are substituting. It is becoming 8 and it is becoming 2 and 10. And look at, we are going to checking with 5. We are going to checking with what? 5 now. 5 plus 3 it is a 8. 8 10s are 80. And plus next 8 12s are 96. Plus 12 10s are it is a 120. Look at 120 plus 80, 200, 200 plus 96, 296. That means our answer is perfectly right with option of B. Option B here for this question. Next, curved surface of a right circular cylinder radius is 12 centimeter is equal to 1584. Curved surface area of cylinder formula is what? 2 pi r h. 2 into 22 by 7. Radius is already given 12 into h is equal to 1584. I need height value here. From the height of the value when you are getting from cylinder, you have to go for the circular area. So as for this question, cancel the numbers, cancel with 11. First of all, 11 2s are and 11 1s are, 11 4s are and 11 4s are, 12 12s are, and next 2 2s are 4 4 3s are, and h is equal to, finally we'll get 21. The 21 is a diameter of S circle. Now we need to calculate for area. Area formula is pi r square h. 22 by 7 into 21 by 2. This is the radius now. This is behave like a radius for circular. 21 by 2 pi r square. That is the answer. Okay, pi r square is the circular area formula. Now cancel the numbers here. 7 3s are 2 11s are. 21 3 ta 63. 63 length 11 ja, it is a 693 by 2. So 693 by 2 half value. 600 half value is 300. 93 half value is required. 93 half value is 42.5 or 41.5. 46.5. Then our answer is what? 346.5. Option B here. Next one, for every set of 19 kites sold, a vendor gives one kite is extra, free of cost as a discount. In order to give a discount of 10%, the number of extra kites should be given a sale of 72 kites. This is a key point. 10% is equal to 1 by 10. What is the 1 by 10 meaning? Every 10 kites he is getting one kite is a free. What I'm saying? Every 10 kites. So no. So total kites are 10. Total kites are 10. Then difference is what? 9. When he is order for 9 kites, he is getting a extra how many kites free? 1 kite is free. Finally in his hand 10 kites. I'm going to shop ordering a 9 kites. When I'm purchasing a bulk of 9 kites, then he is giving a free of 1. Finally I have a how many kites? 9 kites I ordered. Free of cost 1 kite. Finally how many? 10 kites I have. That means, so when I'm ordering for 9 kites, compulsory I will get a 1 kite is free. Yes, when I am ordering for 9 kites, I am getting 1 kite is free. But finally, I have to order for how many kites? So 72 kites. 72 kites purpose, how many kites I will get free? 8 kites I will get free. Option D. Next, a shopkeeper purchased an article 1200 and marked as 75% above. 75% above means directly will write. Yes, so 75% means just the extra added 900. Half of the value is 50% 600. 600 half value 300. 300 double triple value is 900. 1200 plus 900 it is a 2100. And we are giving 100 minus x. First successive discount 100 minus x. Second 100 minus x by 100. 2 successive discounts given. After the 2 successive discount, he is getting a 144 is the profit. Profit is always calculated in a cost price. The cost price is 1200. 1200 plus 144, it is a 1344. So calculate a values to getting an answer. Here the 0000 cancel and calculate both sides is a 7. 7 3s are 7. How many times it is? 7 1s are 7. Remaining value is 64. 7 9s is 63. 7 2s are. And again cancel with 3. 3 how many times? 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. Remaining value is 3 6 are 18. So 3 6 are 18 and 3 4s are 64. Here what we can write? 100 minus x by 10 whole square, which is equal to 8 square. 64 we can write what is the value? 8 square. Look at here, 100 minus x by 10 square is equal to 8 square. So what was the value you have to substitute to getting a 8 square? Look at, I am substituting 25. 100 minus 25 you will get 75. You want to get 8. This is wrong. And it is a 15 wrong and 30 wrong. Go for the 20. 100 minus 20 is 80. 80 by 10 is equal to 8. 8 square is equal to 8 square. LH is equal to RH. Which option is correct? 20. Yes, without solving also you can do that when you tracing for options wise. 2100 and giving a discount 25 15 you can trace the answer by through option also. Final answer is what here? D. Move for the next. Here we have a simplification 36 into 15. 36 into 15 what I am doing here? So 18 into 30. 18 3 is a value is 540. And 20% of 125 it is of 250 and x plus 296. Okay, so cancel the values here. 250 and 40, 296 cancel, extra 60 is there. 6 is removing from the 500. 6 is removing from the 500, you will get what is the value? 494. Option is D. And next, 84% of 800 percentage wise 00 cancel, 88 is 64, 84 is 32, it is equal to 672. And percentage wise 2 zeros cancel, here is also multiply with 7, 7 4 is 28 and carry forward is 2 and 7 6 is 42, it is a 448. It is equal to 14 into question mark. So instead of this total calculation also we have to do here. Look at 7 tens are and 7 twos are and 7 ones are and 7 twos are. Okay, this is also we have to do. It is not required this total simplification. Look at 12 8 is 96 and it is a 64 which is equal to x. Okay, and which is equal to x. 96 plus 64, 4 will be added, it is 100, 100 plus 60, it is a 160 here into 2. 160 by 2, 160 by 2 is equal to, answer is what, 80. No need to calculate, it is a thoroughly. Move for the next example. Root of 324 is 18 and root of 484 value is 22 plus 216 which is equal to x square. Look at here. So 22 and 18 added, it is a 40. 40 added to 216 which is equal to 256. It is equal to what is the number? 16. Option A. Next, 32 square minus 18 square. 32 square value is 1024, 18 square value 324. Overall result is 700. 1024 minus 324 plus 11 into 24 is equal to 264. Then both are added, 964 is our answer. Option B. Next, so question mark by 8 and 2048 by 64. Here 8 cancel, then 8 is dividing to 2048. So 8 ones are and 8 2s are 16, remaining is 24. 8 3s are and 8 ones are. Then question mark is equal, what is the final answer? So 8 2s are 16, remaining value is 4. So 8 5s are and 8 6s are. Then finally our answer is 256. Option D. Next we have a data interpretation based on the line graph. The line graph wise they are mentioning 3 streams, that is value CSE and ECE and EEE. So here the data related to the number of students by engineering colleges A, B, C, D and E is given in the table, and line graph shows the percentage of students who joined the different branches CSE, ECE and EEE. So based on this we should calculate college is A, B, C, D, E, and next so total number of students 1040, 820, 1250, 1125 and 815. This is we have to simplify and go for the question directly. Look at, in a college F, the ratio of total number of students is CSE, ECE, EEE is 376, 3 is to 7 is to 6. And if the total number of students in college F is 28% more than the college E, ECE students in college F, what percentage of total number of students in college? Okay, total ECE value is required, particular what, which college? F college. F college contain ECE is how many parts? 7 parts. Out of how many parts? 16. I need percentage. This is our answer for it. So cancel the numbers. 4 4s are and 4 25s are. 25 7s are, which is equal to 175 by 4. And 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16, remaining is 15. 4 3s are 12, remaining is 3. And 4, it is 43 point. 43 point answer is our answer, 43.75. Okay, move for the next example. What is the approximate average number of students studying CSE in all the given colleges together? What is the approximate average number of students studying CSE? Particularly we require CSE. CSE is belongs to blue color in all the colleges. We have to calculate thoroughly. Here look at 25%. 25% of 1040, it is 260. And next we require 30%. 30% of 820, 3 can be multiplied, 3 2s are 6 and 3 4s, 3 8s are 24. And next here particular CSE blue color, 36% of 1250, 36% of 1280. So 36 making half value, 36 making half value are divided by 4 here. Here divided by 4 means it is a 9. Okay, and 4 will be multiplied, 125 double value is 250, 250 double value is 5000. Here is required percentage. 9% means 2 zeros cancel, it is becoming 450. And next here blue color line, it is a 48%. 48% of 1125. 48% of 1125. So 48% of 1125. What we are doing? 48 is making a half of the half value. 48 half value 24, 24 half value is 12. 12%. 1125 we have to make it 4 times better. Then 1125 double value is 2250. 2250. 2250 double value, it is 4500. 4500. Here is also we make 9000. Here is we make 9. 9 6 the value is 550. 540. Plus next one 12%. 12% of 1850. 12% of 1850. This is we can write 1850 double value. 1850 double value. Here we can multiply 12. Okay, so 12 directly multiply. Otherwise, I am taking a 6 here and 1850 is double 0. 18 double value is 36 and 150 double value is 300. So here 185 double 3700. 3700. 180 double is 50, 100 half value. Next, 6 into 37, 6 7s is 42 and 6 3s are 18, it is 222. And we have to take average, sum of observations by number of observations. When we had calculated, you will get average, that is value is 1 by 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Now we have to add it. 200 plus 200, 400. 400 plus 400, it is a 800. 800 plus 200 is a 1000. 1000 1 5, it is a 1500 till now. Okay, now remaining values also added. 60 plus 40, it is a 100. 100 plus 50, 150. 150 plus 40, it is a 190. 190 plus 20, 190 plus 20, 210. 210 plus 6, 216. 216 plus 2, 218. 218 by 1 by 5. And calculate a value. 5 to 1500, 300 times. 5 4s are is 20. 5 3s are 15. That means almost you will get 300 plus 43. 343 means 343 point something. Approximately it is value is equal to what? 344 here. And move for the next. Number of students, the difference we required particularly. The difference of the number of students studying CSE all colleges together and the total number of students studying EEE in all the colleges together is required. CSE to EEE required for every college. CSE and EEE, CSE is 25%, EEE is 45%. Difference is how much percentage? 20%. What I am doing? So here the 45% to 25% I am removing. I am getting a positive number 20%. 20% of 1040. That is we can write directly. So 104 value is 208. Okay, and next here 25% to 45% difference. 25% to CSE, na? So CSE is CSE means what we have to do? It is a 30%. 25% to 30% difference is 5% minus 5, because here the 25 is the lowest. Minus 5% of B college 820. It is equal to minus 41. And next here 36% and 36% difference is 0%. 0% difference, it is equal to 0% is affected on 1250. And next here 28% minus 48%, it is equal to minus 20%. Minus 20% is a fourth college, it is a 1125. 1125. And look at it is a 0 and minus 20% is a 1125. 1125 make it double because we are multiplying with 20. Okay, 2250. 2250 percentage wise 2 zeros cancel, it is becoming 2250. And final value here 64% and 12%. 64% minus 12%, which is equal to 52%. 52% required. 52% of last college is 1850. 1850. So 52% is of 1850. So here the value 50% is of 1850. 50% of 1850, 925. 1850. 800 half value 900, 50 half value 25. So 925 plus extra 2% is required. Extra 2% is required means 185 double. 185 double value is what here? 3700. 37 will be cancelled. So 37 will be there, 2 zeros will be going to cancel. This is our answer. To cancel the final answers, such a calculation is mandatory. Without values we can't calculate. So look at 225 we have to cancel. Here the 200 cancel, here the 200 cancel, remaining value is 8. Here is remaining value is 25. Minus 25 is removing. Here the value is 900. Finally, it is a 225 cancel. And minus 41 remove it. Minus 41. 8 plus 37. 8 plus 37 is equal to, what is the value? 8 plus 37 is equal to 45. From 45, 41 will be removed. We'll get what is the answer? Plus 4. So 8 cancel, 41 cancel, 37 cancel. Then extra value is what? Plus 4. 900 plus 4. That is our answer. Our answer is what? B, 904 here. And let's move for the next. Question number 71. What is the ratio of total number of students studying ECE in college A? ECE in college A means it is a orange. Here the 30% is 30% of 1040. 3 into 1. It is a 312 plus. Then D value is required. D value is from here orange value 24%. 24% of 1125. 24% of 1125 we can write 6% of 1125, make the 4 times. If you will get 1125 double value is 2250. It is equal to 4500. It is 9 3s. It is value is 270. And next E value. E value ECE. E value ECE value is how much percentage? Here is also 24%. 24% you can make it here So 6% is, that means 4 will be multiplied. 1850 double value is 3700, 3700 value is 7400. 7400. Then here 7400 is multiplied to 6. 6 fours are 24. 4 and carry forward 2. 6 7 are 42. It is a 444. And this is a first ratio. And coming to the C and E, triple E. Triple E means it is belongs to, it is a white. White color is belongs to triple E, particularly C and E. So 36% is, we required how much percentage? 36% is required. 36% is of C. 36% is divide with 4, it is a 9, and multiply with 4 here 1250, it is becoming 5000. 5 nines are, so 450. Plus next we are coming to the E triple E. E triple E is belongs to white, it is a 64%. 64% is a 1850, but 1840 making that 4 times, it is a 7400. We have to decrease this 16. 16 into 74. 16 fours are, it is 64. 4 carry forward is 6. 6 7 are, it is a 112. 112 place, so 6, it is a 118. We should simplify this. 300 200 400, it is a 900. 970 plus 10, it is a 80. 80 plus 40 is 120. It is a 1020. 1020 plus 6, it is a 1026. And next 450 plus 1184. So here 0 plus 4 is 4, 8 plus 5 is 13, and 1 plus 4 value is 6 and 1. So 5 and 3 4. Okay, so here 4 plus 0, 8 plus 5 3, it is a 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4 5, it is a 6. Okay, so 1634. 1634 is the overall value. Then it is a 1024 and 1634. Both are cancelled, we'll get an answer. Finally you will get an answer. What is the ratio? 27:43. Move for the next example. Sorry, the next question, 72. Approximate what percentage of total number of students study triple E in all the college together? 72 question. So approximately what percentage of total number of students study triple E in all the colleges together? Triple E all the colleges together. First of all, I have to take the total value 1000, and it is a 1200 and 800. It is a 2000. 2000 plus 1000, 3000, and 3000, it is a 18 and 19. Till now it is equal to, so 3000 and 4800. 4800 plus 1100, which is equal to 5900. Till now we'll get what is the value? 5800. 18 plus 12 is a, yeah. And next 50 added, it is 60,000. It is a finally 6065 will get 6065. Finally sum of these all the values 6065. And coming to the remaining value, here the total value is 6065. That's, we should remember it. 25 plus 40. So 20 is also there now. It is a 6085. 85 you will get 6085. Then finally it is a 6085. And next we required approximately what percentage of total number of students study triple E in all the colleges together? Triple E, that means white color. Look at here, the white color is how much percentage? 45%. 45% is required. You can write 90%, and I will write here 1040 off value 520, and 00 cancel. 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18, and 9 5s are 45. It is equal to 468 plus, and here, so triple E means white color 25. 25% is a 420. It is a 205 plus. Next triple E, it is a 36. 36% is of 1250. 36% of 1250 means we have to divide it. It is a 9, and it is multiplied with 4. It is becoming 5000. So 1250 2500, 2500 double is 5000. 5 nines are, it is a 450. And next here third college D, it is a triple E is equal to how much percentage? 28%. 28% is dividing with 4, it is a 7%, and 4 is multiplied here. 4 1125 4 1125 means, so 1125 double value is 2500. It is 2500 is big 250. It is becoming 4500, and multiply with 7. 7 5 is 35, and 7 4s are 28. It is a 315. And E value here is how much percentage? 64%. 64% is of 1850. That means 16% is of 74. That is already be done. 16 into 74 again we have to do. 16 fours are here 64 and carry forward a 6. 16 7 is 112. It is a 1184. If you're adding and dividing with here 6085 and we need a percentage, multiply with a 100. When you're doing this, we'll get such a particular answer. The answer is what here? 43% will get an answer as well. Okay, let's move for the next. We have a quadratic equations 2x square minus 5x plus 3, 2 3 is 6. 6 we can write what is the value? Minus 2 and minus 3, and finally we have to divide with 2. Finally answer is become a 1 comma 3 by 2, and here minus y is equal to, you will get 2 comma 2. Y equation you will get 2 comma 2. So 2 is always bigger than the 1 by and 1.5, then x less than y, option B. And next 2x plus 4y is equal to 11. This is we should convert into 6x plus, so 12y plus 33. Total equation is multiplied with 3, and here is also we can write 6x plus 3y is 15, and here the 6x cancel, you will get 9y. 9y is equal to 18. 9y is equal to 18, then y is equal to, you will get 2. Y is equal to 2, you can substitute, you will get x value also. 4 2 is 8. 8 is removing from the 11, you will get 3. 3 by 2 you will get, then 3 by 2 value is 1.5. 1.5 is less than the, so it is 18. 18 by 9, it is a 2. Y is equal to, substitute, 4 2 is 8. 8 is removing from the 11, it is a 3. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1.5. That means x is smaller than the y, x less than y here. Next, x square minus x minus 20. Here the factors are minus 20 purpose, we can write 4 5s. 4 5s are 20, 4 to 5 gap is minus. But I need minus means minus plus 4. But here we are writing minus plus 4. Okay, and y square and minus that. And look at, before going to the factors, here the minus 20 constant is contained, minus the answer is cannot be established. And next, minus 256. 4 is dividing to 256, it will get 4 6 and 4 4. X cube is equal to 64 means x is equal to what? 4. And y square minus 6y plus 8. Then what was the factor of this here? 8 can be distributed 4 2s. That means 4 comma 2. 4 to 4 equal 2 to 4. It is a less. It's a greater. That is a 4 is a greater comparing to 2. Then x greater than or equal to y, option D. Next, x square plus 9x plus 18 is equal 0. So here x square plus 9x plus 18 is equal 0. Then look at, here the factors are, you will get minus minus. Here the factors are, you will get plus plus. Then minus minus is always smaller than the plus plus. Then we can write x less than y. Next, we have a quantity based questions comparison wise. So quantity 1 and quantity 2. Ratio of the cost price of a mobile market price is 4:5, and if the shopkeeper offers a discount of 10%, so here the market price is 5. In this 5, 10% discount means 0.5. 0.5 is removing, now the selling price becoming 4.5. 4.5 and 4. Then what is a profit percentage? Profit percentage means, look at here, on 4 rupees, 0.5 rupees is a profit. It is a SP now. After the discount, it is SP. Just 4 rupees, 4.5, 0.5 rupees extra profit. 1 rupees extra means 25% profit. 0.5 rupees only extra profit means it is a 12.5% profit for the quantity 1. And coming to the quantity 2, the selling price of the laptop is 20% more than the cost price of the laptop. Okay, selling price is 20% more. Selling price is 20% more. That means it is a 100, it is a 120, it is a SP, and cost price is belongs to 100. And if the market price of the laptop is 40% more, it is market price is 140 cost price. If the laptop, then find the discount percentage of the offered laptop. 140 became a 120 means how much percentage discounted? For example, 20% discount. Is it 20% or 15%? Just roughly go, because there is a 12.5%. We have to show such a relation. 10% means 14 rupees gone. 14 rupees gone means you will get 126. Okay. Then here the 15% is gone almost. Okay. 15% means 14 rupees plus 7 rupees is a 21 rupees. 21 rupees remove. Actually you will get 119. 119 here to 120. It's take like a 15%. More than 12.5. That means quantity 1 is smaller than the quantity 2. Then relation wise you will get what? Quantity 1 is less than quantity 2. Option D. And next, quantity 1, Abhi Banu started the business and the investment of Abhi is double of the Banu. The ratio of investment period Abhi and Banu is, will coming to the quantity 1. Here they are given a, so investment ratio is 2:1. Abhi is double. And their investment time is also mentioned. Ratio of period is 4:7. 2 into 4 is to 7:1. And end of the business, the profit is 30,000. Look at, it is a 8 parts, it is a 5 parts. Then 8 plus 5, 15. 15 parts is equal to 30,000. Then what is the difference of the profit share by Abhi and Ram? So 1 part. one part is the difference. So 8 to 7, how many parts difference? One part. One part is equal to how much rupees? 2000, because 15 parts is equal to 30,000 means one part is equal to 2000. That is the quantity 1. And coming to quantity 2, here ratio of the income of A and B is 4:3, and saving is A is doubled of B. A saving of A is double of B. If the expenditure of A is 60,000, 6,000, 4x minus 6,000 and 3x minus, from total income expenditure we are going to removing, then which is 1000 more than that means B value is 5,000. Then saving is A is double of B, that means you will get 2 by 1. From this we have to calculate x value. Here cross multiply, you will get here 2 3,000 and 2x and 1:1. 2x gap is x is equal to gap is 2000. X value is 2000 means what is the question they are asking here? Then what is the savings of A? What is the savings of A means, first of all calculate A. So values 4x to the value is 8,000. In 8,000, 6,000 will be removing as a expenditure, you will get a saving as 2,000. Then first quantity 1 is 2,000, second quantity is 2,000, then both are equal. Option C here. And final one, quantity 1, the present age of Renu is 50% more than the present age of Rani. So quantity 1, they are asking Renu is present is a 50% more. It is Renu and it is Rani. And 50% more means it is a 3:2. And Renu's age is 7 years ago is equal to Rani age is after 2 years. So 7 plus 2 is how many parts? 9 parts. So here is how many parts we have? 1 part. 1 part is equal to 9 years means 3 parts is equal to 27 and 2 parts is equal to 18. Okay, so and this is 7 years ago. Rani's age is, this is the present na? 27 18, clear. Ratio of the ages of Renu to Hari after 5 years is 4:5. So Renu and Hari, Renu age is 4 parts. 4 parts is equal to, this is after 5 years na? After 5 years means, so 27 plus 5, 20, this is who's? Renu who is where? Here 27 plus 5, 27 plus 5 32. So 4 parts is equal to 32 and 5 parts value is what? 4 parts is equal to 32, 5 parts is equal to what? It is a 40. This is a 5 years after. 5 years after, Hari age is 40 means present is how much? 35 here. And coming to the quantity 2, quantity 2 we should calculate, and average of the ages of Abhi and Hari is 20 years. Abhi and Hari is 20 years means present is 40. Then after the 10 years, Abhi age is 40% more than the Hari's age. So 40% more means we should write 7:5. 140 is to 100, we can write 7:5. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 parts. But this is after the 10 years means that sum is value is 60. 12 parts is equal to 60 means 1 part is equal to 5. And it is a 25 years and it is a 35 years. Then ratio of the present age of the Ambi and Rahul is 5:7. We have to Rahul's age. Then this relation is belongs to 10 years after. And ratio of Ambi to Rahul. What is the ratio? Here Ambi is 5:7. And Ambi age is 35. This is after the 10 years. But present is what? 25. 5 parts is equal to 25 means 7 parts is equal to 35. Here is 35. Rahul age is present is 35. Here is also 35. Here is also 35. Here 35 and here is also 35. Both are equal. Then option quantity 1, quantity 2 both are equal. The option is what? C here.